So guys, first of all I want to place a withdrawal in this particular video. So if you see this video on YouTube, whenever you see it on YouTube, that means AI mining is paying, and this is my first withdrawal from the project. I have made a video about it before, so this is my first withdrawal on it. So what I'm gonna do now, as you can see, I have accumulated 7.07 USDT, which, but my balance now is this 6.27 USDT. So if I click on this place now that say home, you can see that I have accumulated 0.24 USDT, which is, if you convert it to naira, is 150 naira. So what are you gonna do now? If I click on this place that say withdrawal now, you can see that I have to tap the amount I want to withdraw. So I will just, minimum withdrawal is 4 USDT, so I'm gonna tap in 6 USDT. I think they're gonna charge me 1 USDT. So what I'm gonna be expecting now is 5 USDT on my wallet. I've already bought my wallet, so let me choose the network that I want. This is my wallet. I've chosen it. So what next thing I have to do is to click on this where I say withdraw. So before withdrawing, you see the minimum withdrawal for 40 ROC20 is 4 USDT, and one off is fee. That is, they're gonna take 1 USDT, just like I told you. So if I click on this place and say confirm, now it's gonna say that the applied is successful. So let me go back to my record to know how the thing went now. So if I go back to my account now, you can see that my balance have reduced from 6 USDT to 0.28 USDT, which is just 117.73 naira. So let me go to my record of deposit and withdrawal to know how far you have seen it. This is 20 USDT, and this one is record of withdrawal. It's still processed. So once you guys see this video on YouTube, that means AI mining is paying. So the AI miner paid me. Well, just like I promised you guys, if you see this video on YouTube today, that means I was paid and AI mine paid me. Because if you go over to my record of deposit and withdrawal now, you can see by yourself that this record here shows that the 6 USDT which I placed the withdrawal on was approved. And to clear more doubts, this is the email Binance sent to me around 2 hours later after placing the withdrawal. You can see that I received 5 USDT. Just like I told you guys, they're gonna take out 1 USDT as charge fee. So I received the payment. So in today's video, we are gonna talk about AI mining, how to make money on AI mining, how to make so much money, how to automate your mining, and you don't need any form of stress, and you can start off free of charge on this website. So before going to the video, welcome to ZBK Crypto, welcome to my home of free cryptocurrencies and airdrop Sagaspi. So if you're new here, kindly hit the like button. If you like what you're seeing on this video today, hit the like button, because I do legit videos. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification if you are new to my channel. So for those of you that are my subscribers, thank you very much. I will never ever fail you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about AI mining, just like I told you guys. So what is AI mining? AI mining is an automated mining machine, mining robot that mines USDT for you, or should I say trade USDT for you, because if you go over here, you will see some kind of trading analysis here also. So I call it that they are mining USDT for you, because just like in Nigeria, as you can see, just today alone I've made them 256 naira, although it's not that much, but at least it's something. So for those of you that are new to this particular platform, because I made a video about it around a week ago or two, I can't remember. So for those of you that are new to it, the link to the AI mining is in the description. But wait, don't just jump into it and think you're gonna make money or huge amount of money from it. So what are you gonna do when you're done signing up? Click on this place that is called power. Now click this place that it says click to get 0 free crowd mining from AI mining. So if you click on it, it's gonna take you over to this particular page where you're gonna buy AI mining this mining robots for free without any form of money. So click on the buy discounts. I don't need to click on it because you can only purchase it once. I purchased it. Click on this place that say buy discount price at 0.00 USDT. So once I am done with it, you have done the first part. So one next thing you have to do is to go back from mining center and go to your mining warehouse. Sabi mining warehouse. It's like this is the place, my mining warehouse. So not activated. You will see that one that you clicked, that free miner that you clicked. You will see it where it will ask you to activate it. So once you click on the activate button, it will come back here and show you that this is the miner you are using. So currently this is the one that you have to activate. This second one that is number 0. So it's gonna be yielding you it's gonna be yielding you, I think, 2.24 cents daily. So as you can see, I've gotten $2 from it, but that is not the main deal. The main deal is you need $1 to activate this particular miner, this number 1. So once you are done with signing up and activating your first miner, so you don't need to waste your time, even though this is not a financial advice, but it's working. As you can see, I made a live withdrawal from it, and this is my first withdrawal. A lot of people have been withdrawing for AI mining. If you doubt me, check on other videos on YouTube. I'm not the only one making videos on AI mining. So if you are done with it, you need minimum of 21 USDT if you really want to make a good amount of money from AI mining. So, but don't worry, that your 21 USDT is very, very secure, because at the end of 20 days, your money is gonna come back to you. I mean it. That's the fact. The 20 USDT is just to hire the miner. The 20 USDT is to stay dead so that the miner can always be mining for you. And at the end of the 20 days, your 20 USDT is gonna come back to you, according to what the information I got and how it has been working for the people that is using it. I've seen someone taking back his 20 USDT after 20 days. So first thing you have to do after activating the 0.0 USDT miner, if you want, you can test run the free USDT, but hey, bear it in mind that anything that you got from the free USDT, the free miner, is not gonna be credited. You cannot withdraw it. So instead of wasting your time waiting for that one to reach minimum withdrawal, which is 4 USDT, just like I told you guys, it's better for you to use your 21 USDT to start up mining and earn a very good amount of USDT from it. For those of you that want to earn more on it, for those of you that really want to follow my footsteps and earn more from AI mining, because daily, or you don't even need to do anything. All you need to do is to set up your miner and go to sleep. When you reach minimum withdrawal, you withdraw. You can leave it to a very long time, so that when you want to withdraw, they will still collect their 1 USDT. So losing your USDT once you reach $4, which is the minimum withdrawal. You just leave it there. After some minutes, it's gonna, after some days or maybe a week or 2, you will yield a lot of big USDT. So for those of you that want to earn more, instead of waiting for the free miner to reach 20 USDT so that you use it to buy any mining power, it will take you days, even a month or more than. So click on this place now that's I click on withdraw. Click on this place now that say deposit, and you can see the popular one that people are depositing is 21 USDT. So click on 21 USDT and choose the network you want to do it with. You can use bank transfer for Nigerians. You can use bank transfer, but you have to understand that 8 handling fee is gonna be tripled. It's gonna be charged to your account. So I myself, I don't like USD. I don't like bank transfer. So what are you gonna do is to click on this place and use TRC20 USDT, which is recommended. So once you're done with it, click on confirm, copy out the wallet address, and go to any wallet of your choice to recharge. Once you're done recharge, it's gonna ask you to screenshot your recharge, your recharge. You see it here. Click or if I click on confirm now, it's gonna take me over to where I'm gonna recharge. So once you copied out this wallet now and recharge, just take a screenshot of your recharge and paste in the screenshot here. So once you're done with it, just give it some time, give it some minutes, maybe a minute, 2, 3, 4, depending on how the network confirmation did on your own deposit. So once you're done with it, you will go back to your own. You will see that you have gotten 20 USDT. So next thing you have to do is to go back to this place now and click on miner warehouse. Or no, click on this. No, not here. Click on mine center. So if you click on it, that is the miner I'm using is this number 1 miner, which is gonna expire every 20 days. So it's gonna only cost you $1, because if you click on this place and say buy now, it's gonna only cost you $1. It's gonna only cost you $1. As you can see now, $1, which if you can convert it to naira, is 615 on AI mining exchange rate. So it's gonna cost you $1, but you have to have 20 USDT for computing power. So that your 20 USDT is gonna be in your background, so that if you are offline, the mining power is still gonna be mining for you. So after you're done with it, next thing you have to do is to, after purchasing the miner, what next thing you have to do is to go over to your mining section. So where is the miner warehouse? Click on it and then activate it, because once you are done buying it, it will be on non-activated. So just like you activated the zero mining one, activate it, and once you are done with it, the next way, once you are done with it, is gonna be start mining for you. So you now have two options. So what are the two options that you have? First of all, it's either you go and leave it, go and face whatever you're doing on your time, or you go and refer people, because they are giving you some amount of bonuses for referring people to the page. So if you want to refer people, if you have people that you can refer, you can go to Facebook and copy out your wallet address, your referring. This is where to get your referral. This place as a search here. Click on it and get your referral link. So once you have gotten your referral link, go and refer anybody that you can refer. You can even earn if your referrals are using the free miner, you can earn from them. And another thing is that, sorry, I'm having a rough network issue now, so that's why my thing is loading. So another thing is that if you are using the paid version, that is the minimum 20 USDT computing power and 1 USDT for buying mining machine, you will be earning higher on your referral bonuses. So that's why you need to use that one. Using the free miner is just a welcome bonus. It's no more withdrawable. AI mining change their terms and conditions. It's no more withdrawable. So once you have copied your wallet, your this invitation code or invitation link, go to your friends, anybody. If you have a page, if you have a blog, if you can create a blog on your website, create a blog about AI mining, you can take my video to it and ask them to, after signing up, let them watch this video and see how it's being done. So you can earn much higher when you are in the paid version. So stop dulling on this kind of a thing and start getting enough money from AI mining, automated mining, without wasting your time. So I think this is the last video. This is the end of this video. Sorry, my mouth is checking. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. I love you guys. My next update is gonna be about my recent updates, if they paid me or not. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.